The ToolShed Rotary Craft Toolkit is the perfect package for all the craft professionals and hobbyists. Powered by a 130-watt motor, this ergonomically designed craft tool features a comfortable rubber hand grip with selectable variable speeds ranging from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM. This kit features a 1 meter flexible shaft and convenient hanging loop. Hang the tool from the hook and attach the flexible shaft. The tool can now be used like a pen, giving you greater dexterity for more intricate work. The convenient spindle lock makes changing bits a breeze, something you'll be doing regularly thanks to the 32-piece bit set that is included with this kit. The kit includes bits for a whole range of applications in many materials. Use a cutting wheel or straight bit for those detailed cuts, especially when working with metals or plastics. Take the pain out of hand sanding those hard to reach places on all kinds of timber with the sanding discs. Swap out a grinding attachment to grind metal or even sharpen tools. Carve and engrave your projects or throw in a polishing attachment to give them a nice finish. Even take care of delicate drilling in various types of plastic and wood. This tool is as versatile as they get. Check out the ToolShed Rotary Craft Toolkit online or in-store at your local toolshed.
And the tool shed.